Hello students, welcome to Solve classes. Today we'll be solving the ISI Msqe question paper of year 2017. Today we'll be solving question number 13. In question number 13, it has been asked, in how many ways can 5 objects be placed in a row if 2 of them cannot be placed next to each other? The options are 36, 60, 72 and 24. So the question over here is that, scenario over here is that there are 5 objects which are placed in a row, and we need to find out the number of ways in which those 5 objects can be placed such that any 2 of the 5 objects are never placed next to each other. So what we'll do is that, suppose there are 5 places, so these are the 5 places, and suppose 2 of them, 2 objects, suppose A and B are always placed together. So what we'll do, we'll take this entire AB section as one element and then take the arrangements among them. In this case, if 2 elements, or as you can see 2 elements, or in this case objects, are placed next to each other, then number of arrangements will be equal to, so there will be total 1, 2, 3 and 4. There will be 4, since we have already taken this entire A and B objects as a single object. So there will be 4 objects. These 4 objects can arrange among themselves in 4 factorial ways. Now these 2 elements can arrange among themselves in 2 factorial ways. So the answer will be 4 factorial into 2 factorial. So 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2, 4 into 3 is 12, 12 into 2 is 24, 24 into 2, that is equal to 48. And if we are considering all the 5 elements, if all 5 objects rather are arranged, then number of arrangements will be equal to 5 factorial, which is equal to 120. So the required number of arrangements where 2 objects are never placed next to each other will be equal to, the total case is 120 and the together case is 48. This is equal to 72, which is the option C. So today we have solved question number 13 from the ISI Msqe question paper of year 2017. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Solve classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.